how to change your location in Honor of Kings. Here's what you want to do. Load up the game and click on the gear icon in the top right. Now from here, we just want to select player support. After you have clicked on player support, it's gonna look a little something like this, and you will see changing region here in the top left. So click on changing region and it's gonna show us some more information. When changing your registered region, there will not be some assets that are not available in your region will not transfer over. Make sure you read all of this information. You can only change your region once every 180 days. Afterwards, you'll click on got it, and here you will select your new region. So you can also choose whether you are going to be located in Asia, Europe, North America, so all of the other continents. So here you just choose your region and click on next, go through the prompts, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.